National Doctors' Day is a day celebrated to recognize the contributions of physicians to individual lives and communities to mark the importance of doctors hold in our lives. Doctors as clinical scientists apply the principles and procedures of medicine to prevent, diagnose, care for and treat patients with illness, disease, injury and to maintain physical and mental health. The first Doctor Day observance was March 28, 1933 in Windsor, Georgia, USA. The date may vary from nation to nation. But why we celebrate National Doctors' Day on this particular day? In India, National Doctors' Day is celebrated on July 1st all across India to honor the legendary physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, a Bharat Ratna awardee, and someone who represented the best of his profession at the clinical time in India's modern history, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was born on 1st July 1882 and died on the same date in 1962, aged 18 years. Now, who is Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy? Dr. Roy was honored with the country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, on February 4, 1961, for his immense contributions to the society. National Doctors' Day is being observed in India on 1st July since 1991, when it was officially instituted by the Government of India to mark respect and to pay honor Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He had a major role in establishing healthcare facilities, including the Jadavpur TB Hospital, Chittaranjan Seva Sadan, Kamala Nehru Memorial Hospital, Victoria Institution and Chittaranjan Cancer Hospital in Kolkata. It reminds us the special contributions made by this legendary physician who treated thousands and inspired millions of lives, including the life of Mahatma Gandhi ji, Rabindranath Tagore ji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Dr. Roy was both Gandhiji's friend and a doctor. So I'm going to tell you one of the conversations between them. In 1933, during a self-purification fast in Pune, Gandhiji fell sick. Dr. Roy attended to him. Gandhiji refused to take medicines on the grounds that it was not made in India. Gandhiji asked Dr. Roy, "Why should I take your treatment? Do you treat 400 million of my countrymen free?" Dr. Roy replied, "No, Gandhiji, I could not treat all patients free. But I came not to treat Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but to treat him who to me represent the 400 million people of my country." Gandhiji relented and took the medicine. Dr. Roy was also very involved in politics and leadership roles, having a significant positive impact on people's lives. One of his quotes is hugely relevant in these times. Difficulties are always there. They will always be there, and I am glad that there are difficulties, for they excite the imaginations and the intellect, and you can then find out the means by which you can solve the problems. The red carnation was chosen as the official symbol of Doctor's Day because of the color of the flower is in spirit of the character of medical profession. It represents adoration, charity, sacrifice, bravery, and audacity. Why it is important to show gratitude towards doctors? It is one of the most important professions. After all, these specialists have knowledge and skills to diagnose, treat, and control the course of various diseases. Doctors save our lives. Doctors owe challenges that even a minor mistake could drastically affect patients' life and commitment to serve them by all their might. The 2021 Doctors' Day is dedicated to countless physicians who work in primary and secondary care facilities during this crisis, as well as in the specialist COVID treatment centers. This time, every effort counts, wherever one is. It's that time of the year to celebrate the real heroes out there who are fighting the long war against the coronavirus for our safety at the cost of their own. Today, more than ever, it is important for people to realize the sacrifices that the medical team make for us day in and out. With the number of infected people on the rise every day and hospitals being flooded with people in thousands regularly, doctors can truly be named as superheroes at this point. So on this day, I just want to say to all the doctors that you always care for the sick and treat them so that they can get back to their life without considering your life. Especially during this pandemic, this day should celebrate to show gratitude to all health workers who have unconditionally and selflessly helped the people in the time of need. So thanks to everyone who supported the people faithfully in the time of need. What we can do in this pandemic to keep ourselves healthy and reduce the pressure on doctors and health workers. Do not forget to wear a mask whenever you go out, especially in a crowded places. Limit social gathering and time spent in crowded places. Get vaccinated with COVID-19 vaccine because you are very important. Eat healthy. Like all fruits, especially those fruits which has vitamin C and green vegetables. Yoga plays a significant role during the COVID-19 crisis because yoga helps in boosting our immunity. So, start yoga. In this way, at least these small things will bring healthy change in our life. Indirectly, we help our doctors and health workers by reducing their pressure. So, it will become the gift from us to all the doctors and medical team on this onward. Thanks to all doctors.